What's up guys, and welcome to my new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to download and install Netflix on your PC or laptop fast and easy. Hit like and subscribe if this guide helps you. All what you need to do guys, just press your Windows button and save Microsoft Store and open it. Go here in search and save Netflix. And you will see this app like me. Click on it and go here download. After downloading Netflix on your PC, just click here open. A new window will launch and you will see Netflix. Click here get started. Choose your plan, or if you have account, go here in right corner sign in and enjoy using Netflix on your PC or laptop. And that's it all guys for this video, how to download and install Netflix on your PC. Hit like and subscribe if this guide helps you, and I see you in the next video. Bye guys.